Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about SQL check constraint. Before that, what is a constraint? SQL constraints are used to specify rules for the data in a table. If there is any violation between the constraint and the data action, the action is aborted. The action is like delete, insert, update. Constraints can be specified when the table is created or after the table creation. In SQL, we have the following basic constraints: not null, unique, primary key, and foreign key. So not null means it will not allow null value. Unique means it will ensure unique values are entered in the column. Primary key means both combination of not null and unique. Foreign key means it is just a reference association between two tables. So what is a check constraint? In this demo I'm going to talk about check constraint. The check constraint is used to limit the value range that can be placed in a column. Say for example, for a salary column you can specify that the salary column should not be more than 5 lakhs, okay, and it should not be less than 0, something like that. If you define check constraint on a single column, it allows only certain values for this column. So let's create a table and check how exactly this works. So before that, I want to delete the table. Okay, so I'm going to create a table called student, okay, and student ID I have added not null constraint. This is not null constraint, and I have added one more constraint like check constraint. I am saying here student ID should be greater than 0. This is called check constraint. So how do I do that? I'm going to create this table with this constraint. Let's see how. So I've created the table. Now here if you see, I'm going to insert a record with 0 student ID, but our constraint says student ID should be greater than 0. So this should give an error now. So in order to check our newly created constraint, I'm going to insert this record. It says clearly the check constraint was violated while performing an insert or update on table. So check constraint works properly here. So how do I avoid that? I can create more than student ID should be more than 0. So now it is created. Okay, you created 2 records now. So this is how check constraint works in SQL. So this is check constraint. Hope this video is useful. Thank you and all the best.